light post. Okay, keep going.
Really?
Brother, just get a little interference there. The police are going to be flagging you because you're driving not only off the road, but you're also going about 2 miles an hour. Keep going. Whoa! We have some impaired visions right there. We made it into the...
This is what it looks like when you're drunk.
The fire! Look, Haley, there's a fire over there. We're gonna catch on fire, guys. What do you mean, let's go? You run away from it. Come here. It's a big fire. You're supposed to run away from it, not go towards it. But you guys wanna go see? We'll be back.
I wanna go turn this fire off.
There's a big fire.
Mom, run! What are you waiting?
Go, 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 go. Go in the front. Go in the front. You can go in the front.
On the car. I'm grabbing all these.
Firefighters putting out a fire.
Mom, there's a truck.
Now we have JoJo is going to go and do also a source. We'll see who can do it more efficiently. They're probably both just as good. They both look like your dogs to me. But JoJo clearly wants to go. Look at that. I know most of us would be happy if our dog had been sat when we asked them to. These dogs can do a whole lot more than that. So you can see JoJo wasn't confused even for a minute. Excellent. That's why our firefighters are wearing their full protective gear and their gloves. Now their class is really the least of the dangers when you do this. As you see our firefighter going to work with the spreader on that vehicle. So he's got the spreader and his partner has the cutout. These are both Genesis tools. They're fairly new to the fire department. Within the last, I don't know, maybe I'm just kidding, maybe they're not that new. They're still pretty good. Within the last 5 years. Before we used to use ambulance tools that were your more traditional Jaws of Life looking thing. Now Jaws of Life is a brand, it does not mean that we actually have a real brand. But the ambulance tools were limited by the fact that they needed hydraulic cords attached to them and had a power unit that would have to be manipulated around. Now the power unit was loud and also the cords would get in the way. So you need a third person just to man the power unit. Now you can see how it's more effectively we can deploy our manpower. As our firefighters do with their what we call these hydraulic tools. They have the same cutting and spreading force, in some cases more, but they operate off of standard water batteries that we might find. So that's a whole lot easier than carrying around a gigantic hydraulic power unit. And as you can see, firefighters on this side have taken on that tool. So we're getting access to a patient on the inside. We're going to create as much space as we can. Now, we want to create as much space as we can safely without causing damage or access.
Okay, jar opener. There you go.
Say thank you. Your turn. Go spin
You want
it.
to spin the wheel?
Stress reliever.
reliever. You get this.
Say thank you. That's cute. It's my turn actually. I want to do it too. Yeah. First aid
see?
kit.
You said
Perfect.
you wanted it.
I
There you
did.
go.
Thank
All
you.
right.
4th of July safety tips.
Say thank you. Hi.
I want cookies and cream.
How many cups?
Tools or parts used to fix a firefighter truck.
Yeah, shit. You got. Oh yeah, that's the siren that's on the front of the fire truck. They fight forest fire.
Oh, nice.
Fires up in the mountains. You want to check out the inside of the place? Come in and sit down if you guys want.
Hello. Cool, huh? Alright, you guys gonna come back out so other people can get a turn? Yeah. Say thank you. How does it feel? Heavy?
Help me too. Help me.
Help him. Oh,
It might be a little too big, so
it's okay.
when he's done, you take it out and then just do the picture.
How does it feel? Good? I'm gonna take a picture real quick, okay? Yay! Good job.
We can go get water.
How did it feel, Adrian? Ah, Haley! Good job, Haley! Good job, Haley! She forgot the fish.
I want you to try it. Don't want to do that.
You have to say paper.
There you go. Move your hands a little closer. Okay, hands out this way. Hey, towards me. There you go. Push that. Call 911 and get an AED. And while they're doing that, you're going to go.
You guys want to try right here on one of these?
So there you go. It's okay.
Let's say you find somebody choking, all right? The first thing you want to do, you want to tap on their shoulder. We'll say this is a guy, so we're going to say, sir, are you okay? Are you okay? So let's try that. Tap it on my shoulder. and
Dile,
say,
are you okay? Dile.
And he's not responding, right? Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to look for any signs of breathing. We're going to come over to the side. Can we see his chest rising, that he's breathing? Can we see he's breathing?
He's not
No,
breathing.
Right? We can't see he's breathing, right? So are you right-handed or left-handed? You're going to put it on the center of his chest. And you heard that click, right? He's going to go down. Just have a good piece. Let's go like that. And you're going to keep doing that for 30 times, right? So let's see if you got it, man. There you go. Ready? No,
No, that's so
you
hard. You're
kill
gonna
him.
kill him.
You're gonna just be right here. Up, down, all right? Try, you got it.
1,
There you go.
2,
2,
3,
4,
4.
10, 9, 30.
Okay, that's enough.
And then you're just gonna keep doing that until the doctors come, all right? Good job, man. High five. Now you know CPR. There you go.
Look, this is a good book to have.
Coloring book? Do you like going to the beach?
Yeah.
And how to stay
Nice. What's your
safe.
favorite beach?
The one from Mexico.
Oh, Cancun, Tulum.
How old are you right now?
7.
7.
What is this? I'm about
It's our rescue kid. It's a
I'm
keychain.
about to turn 8.
Nice. Well, when you turn 9, you can be in our junior lifeguard program.
Essentially, we do a lot with like the forest with oak trees. We also check out with defensible space. We do.
Cool? I'm gonna get a picture of you guys, okay guys? Okay.
She should flag that you're crossing up the thing.
This simulator of texting and driving was very hard.
Just have to send it to the next message. What did he say? Let me see. Okay, I know we're done.